Bismillah. So for dinner tonight, we made steak with mushrooms and peppers. It's ready to eat now. It's nice and yummy, and it was just like 3 minutes on each side. I like it well done, and the boys too. So that was 3 minutes on each side, and just very fast cooking. The mushrooms and onions took just like 5 minutes. And for the diabetics in the house, we are having it with mushrooms, and for the non-diabetic, we have mashed potatoes. So there you go. That's my take. Thank you very much. Let me know how you like it.